I'm just going to try these Team Dynamic wheels that I've just picked up. They currently have winter tyres on. I'm going to colour change these to white. So I'll try them on the car, make sure they fit, then I can get them done. I've just checked the fitment. I'm not sure if I have the right lug nuts, so I've just done them up loosely. They are Team Dynamics wheels, they're really lightweight, and I think they'll suit the car well in white. Got the wheels back from powder coating, so I can get them on the car and figure out what spacers I need to use. White wheels are notoriously hard to keep clean, so wish me luck. Next up, I need to get the car back down on the deck. As you can see at the back, I need to do some cutting on this section here. Now the rear wheel is aligned properly. I have the space to cut the arch neatly all the way around, so the gap matches the front part. Ideally, I want about a 35mm spacer on the rear, maximum 40, minimum 30. Just double check this side. Yeah, spot on. Because of the shape of the front arch, the gap varies slightly. As this part of the front bumper flares out, the arch line dips in a little bit, so I'm going to have to compromise somewhere in between. I think about a 25mm spacer for the front should be good. Next, I need to do the final trim work on the wheel arches, all four corners. As you can see, I now have some wheel spacers, so next I'll get these installed. I know the lighting's not the best, but you should be able to see the wheels have much better spacing now. So there we have it, we now have the new wheels on. These wheels are specifically designed for motorsport, therefore they are much lighter than the standard wheels, so this weight saving should compensate for the large wheel spaces. We have good arch clearance all the way around the tyre, and the mud flaps are nice and secure. The Continental tyre stickers finished it off nicely. All I need now are the correct spigot rings. The wheel spacing is massively improved, and the same for the front. Once we get the car up and running, we can dial in the tracking, like the tow and camber. We also have adjustable damping front and rear. For now, I've just set the ride height, allowing a decent amount of clearance underneath. Eventually, I'll get the car on a set of corner weights, then we can try and get the car perfectly balanced. Thanks for watching another episode. Like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you very soon.